Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable custom fonts. All the Twinr's native features like hamburger menu, native buttons, onboarding screens, bottom tabs has Twinr's default fonts that might not be matching with your website's fonts or theme fonts. So using this feature, you can integrate custom fonts in your app. To enable it, go to Add-ons, Extensions, Custom Font and enable it. We have 1400 plus different styles that you can choose from. Select any one that matches your theme style and save it as a draft. Let's preview it in the Preview app. Download the Preview app from PlayStore and preview on your Android phone. Let's refresh the preview. You see the fonts are changed now. This feature is only available in premium plan, but you can test everything in your 14-day free trial. Remember that this feature is over-the-air feature. That means if your app version 1.0 is live on the stores, you can update custom fonts and click on Publish to Production. And then all the users who has 1.0 version downloaded on their phone will have the latest changes automatically over the air. So no need to publish new version and get it approved on the stores. So please make use of over-the-air feature and avoid the approval hassles. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us on live chat or email at hello@twinr.dev. Please also refer to our help documentations for detailed information. That's it for this video and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe for more updates from Twinr. Thanks for watching.